Have you ever wondered what's inside the Minecraft planet? Is the game world we're in really a planet at all? If that's the case, then what shape can the world be? Is it really flat, or is it cube-shaped? There are many contradictions between one and the other. I think that you have even thought about this topic, but you have never been able to give an exact answer. Today, we will find out how much the Minecraft game world weighs, and why is the planet in Minecraft bigger, but weighs less than the real Earth? What form can be the game map that our character travels through? What about this question? Where do you think the cluster of islands of the region is located? The answer to this question is simple. You just need to know the shape of the Minecraft map. By the end of this video, you will begin to perceive the whole world of Minecraft in a completely different way, and you will still not be able to play. Well, sit back. Makis is with you, and we're starting the Minecraft theory. On the second day, traveling on a pig through a local pen, I finally came to the conclusion that the world of Minecraft is flat after all. It's actually a joke. To understand the shape of the Minecraft map, you need to look at the sky, preferably at night. Assumptions there may be several, and many people on each side believe in each of the options. And write in the comments, do you think the world of Minecraft is a plane, a planet in the form of a cube, or a planet in the form of a ball? But the thing is, when creating the game world, the development company did this. There is confirmation that the world of Minecraft is completely flat, only now it stands not on whales and turtles, but on a hip and flies in space. If you think a little bit, you can find evidence that the Minecraft world is a cube-shaped planet. And if it's a little more, then it's a ball at all. The idea of this video is to prove that the Minecraft planet is still spherical. After all, when we walk on the map, we do not see sharp cliffs of the Earth, which means that the Minecraft planet is not cubic after all, I thought. However, I was very wrong. Our investigation begins with the night sky, which I mentioned earlier. We will start from the faithful satellite of the Earth. The moon in Minecraft is the same celestial object as our game map. It has several phases, or rather as many as 8. If the moon were flat, then we would not see a gray cube constantly looking at us, and a piece of lunar soil looking up. And in the sky, it would look like a flat platform at the bottom of which bedrock. But the moon is cubic in shape. Both the lighting and the shapes can tell us that when the moon is illuminated directly by its front side, the player sees full moons. And when we see the old moon, it means that the moon's illumination has shifted to the other side. If the moon were flat, then there would simply be no other side. And there is one as well as a third party, because there is a new month and a lunar eclipse, as the moon is illuminated exactly at the back. Adding up all these, so you can understand that all the planets and stars in Minecraft are cubic in shape. Now we know that the Minecraft planet is one big cube. By the way, here is another weighty argument for you. Hell is 8 times smaller than the ordinary world because it is located under the Earth's crust. That is, under bedrock in the ordinary world. And we need to answer the question, if we are walking on a huge cube, then why can't we find a sharp drop to the other side of the world? The answer will now help us find the sun itself. A game day in Minecraft lasts 20 minutes. 10 minutes on the moon, 10 on the sun. Celestial objects, they replace each other and disappear over the horizon. If our player walked all over the Minecraft planet from all sides, then the sun would be somewhere far away for us. But no. Even on spawn, even at 10 million coordinates of the sun, it's always the same for us. From this, we can conclude that the story of Steve as a playable character unfolds only on one side of a cubic planet. This can also be understood by the rain. If there is precipitation, it does not flood the entire map. They come from only one of the 6 sides of the planet, then the rains go to the other side and the weather becomes clear. We don't see any sharp land breaks as the entire map is just 1/6 of the Minecraft planet. We only survive on one side of the Minecraft planet. We just can't reach each other because of the world's barriers. By the way, the development company made a mistake. An ordinary world is the same size as Hell. Although Hell should actually be smaller since it is inside the planet. When we go through Hell, there are 100 blocks of. When we go back into the portal, we go through 800 blocks in the normal world. At least I thought that the barriers were placed incorrectly, but it turned out that everything was correct. The world barriers are located at 30 million coordinates of the upper world, and also in the lower world. But if hell inside the ordinary world is like the core inside a planet, then it should be smaller. That's the thing. 30 million blocks in the upper world is just one side of the planet. But 30 million blocks of water are the entire core of the planet. That is, all 6 sides of the cube. And the world's barriers are technically placed there to somehow stop the player. I hope I didn't confuse you too much, and now you understand that one side of the ordinary world is equal in length to 6 sides of hell. How much does the Earth weigh? You can get an answer to this question by simply Googling. However, you will not find the answer to how much the Minecraft planet weighs. I did a lot of calculations, and it turned out that the planet in Minecraft is bigger than our planet in real life. But for some reason it weighs less, and I know why. First, let's find out her weight. There will be a lot of physics and math ahead, so get ready. We find out the area of the game card. Multiply 30 million by 30 million, we get 900 trillion square kilometers. Already one side of the Minecraft planet is bigger than our Earth. The total area of the cubic planet will be 5,400,000,000,000,000 square kilometers. And this number is approximately equal to the area of the real Sun. Now we are counting the mass. In fact, it was very interesting to do, because I had to fly and see how high the lower world was. It turned out to be 127 blocks high from bedrock to bedrock. The height of the ordinary world is 126 blocks. I counted from bedrock to sea level. It would be easier to count over the mountains illogical. I think you know why. Add 127 and 126 to get 253 and multiply this number by 2. It turns out 506. This is the height of hell and the ordinary world from one and the other part of the Earth. I have entered the data of only the material part of the planet, because the rest of the planet under the thigh is just empty inside. Multiply the height of 506 by the length of 30 million and the width of 30 million. We will take the density of the Earth from real life. Since Minecraft was made using the example of our planet, the materials are at least similar. Multiplying all these data, we get 24 by 75 hundredths, multiplied by 10 to 20 degrees of kilograms. And to put it in clearer terms, that's 2 sextillion, 475 quintillion tons. But it turns out that way, that the Earth itself weighs more than the Minecraft planet. And all this is due to the fact that our real-life planet Earth is completely clogged with the Earth's crust, mantle, outer and inner core. And in Minecraft, between the ordinary world and hell, there is a huge gap in the form of emptiness. That is, most of the planet is empty from the inside. Therefore, I did not take all 30 million blocks for the height of the world, but only 506 blocks in order to calculate the real weight of the planet. Where is Enderworld? If hell is inside and the ordinary world outside, the islands of the edge are definitely not in outer space. Otherwise, they would be illuminated by the sun. At the same time, they are not so far from Earth, because after all, we teleport from it to the end. Here is the Minecraft planet. It does not rotate in orbit, but only rotates around its axis, and very smoothly. The sun is stationary on one side, and the moon slowly turns its circles around the Earth. The edge, if it is close to the Earth, is only exactly behind the planet or on one of its unlit sides. That is why the player does not see the Enderworld of Earth. And the Enderworld has no light because the planet completely blocks the sunlight by itself. As for the structure of the solar system in Minecraft, for some reason, planets do not have orbits at all. That is, mods that add space are, in fact, made incorrectly. The planet in Minecraft rotates exactly in place. The moon orbits the Earth, and the sun generally stands flat. If the planet orbited the sun, which would be logical, then Minecraft would have seasons, which is also logical. But there are none, which breaks our understanding of the structure of the solar system. Of course, there are still many questions because Minecraft is a logical and equally illogical game. However, thanks to this video, you've seen a lot about the game world and learned a little more about Minecraft. And with that, our space travel has come to an end. Rate it with a like and subscribe to the channel. After all, there's a lot of interesting stuff about Minecraft. Well, also write your versions and guesses about this theory in the comments. But I'm saying goodbye. Makis was with you. Good luck, everyone. Bye.